In this video, we are going to be looking at composition functions. All right, let's see. We're going to first of all do f, and some of my previous students have always called these the circle functions because you make a little circle here. This means, I had some others that called these fog, which this just means f of g of, and let's just say, how about 2? What does this mean? This means I take function f, and in place of x in function f, I am going to put function g, and in place of the x in function g, I'm going to plug in 2. Think of it as a double plug-in. I plug 2 into g, and then I plug that answer into function f. That is the nuts and bolts of it. All right, so plug 2 into function g, then we plug that answer into function f. That's what we're doing here. So, actually off to the side, I'm just going to say g of 2 is, well, we plug 2 in, 2 squared. Well, 2 squared is 4. Okay, now we have to plug this 4 into function f. So function f is 2 times, in place of the x, we're going to put our 4, okay, plus 5. Well, 2 times 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 5 is 13. Now, what if we made a mistake? What if we mixed them up and said g of f? Do you think we would get the same thing? And I'm going to use the same number too. Well, let's find out. F of 2 would equal, well, let's see, we have 2 times 2 plus 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, and now if I plug that into function g, I'm going to say 9 squared. Well, 9 squared is 81. You notice there's a big difference here between 81 and 13. Not the same. Okay, so remember, the one listed second is what you plug in the number, and then you plug that answer into the next function. Think of it as a double plug-in. All right, enjoy.